So guys, for the first step, you want to right click on your taskbar and then you want to click on Task Manager. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Run New Task. And now in this box right here, you want to type in CMD. Then you want to tick Create this task with administrative privileges and then click on OK, which will then open up command prompt. And now you want to find out where your main drive is on your computer. It's most likely going to be your C drive, but if you do not know, then you want to click on the File Explorer icon right here on your taskbar. It should most likely be on your taskbar or it might be on your desktop somewhere, but you want to click on File Explorer. Another way to access it is by going back into Task Manager and then you want to click on Run New Task and then type in explorer.exe. Click on Enter, which will then open up File Explorer. Now you want to click on this PC and then it will show you what your main drive is called. So for me, this is my main drive, it's a C drive and it has the Windows logo on it, so I know that this is my main drive. So for me, it's a C drive. It's most likely going to be the C drive for you as well. So now once you find out the name, now you want to head back into CMD and then type in chkdsk space C colon or whatever drive letter is your main drive, space /F and click on Enter. And now you want to type in Y and then click on Enter. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't do it yet. Now we're going to type in sfc space /scan now and then click on Enter. And then you want to run the scan. Now once the scan has been completed, the sfc scan now one, then you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed. But make sure that this has been completed first.